Get it, Eric. What is that? Almost 6 weeks old. Look at how big they're getting. And Rusty's discovering the litter box. Get it, Eric. Get it, Eric. Oh no, get it. What is that? What are you doing with that? Get it. Oh no. Too excited. Too excited. Get it, Eric. Oh yes. That's it. Get that ball. Where'd it go? Here let's push it out. There you go. Oh, yes. Oh, get that thing. Get that thing. Yes. Oh, what is that? Huh? Get that ball. Oop. There you go. Here comes Rusty. Rusty's gonna help. Rusty's gonna help. Right. Hi, Rusty. You help Eric with that? You want to help with Eric with that? Come on. There you go. You keep on putting it back here. What is that? What is that? Don't go hiding in the litter box, you silly boy. Oh, Eric. Getting the hang of it. Ooh, you're going to be a soccer player when you grow up. What you doing? Rusty? Look at how big they've gotten. I don't want to use all the tape up. You guys could have your own show. The Eric and Rusty show. Hey, here you go. Get him! You silly. Rusty? Oh, 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 oh. You're too funny. You're too funny. In the food. Okay, guys, have fun.